Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on your Instagram on Android. So let us get in. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into Twitter or the X app, and you want to search for Instagram comms. Now, this is their PR team, and here you can see any updates or reports of any issues that Instagram may be experiencing. And if they are experiencing one or two issues, you may be able to note that this is why your feed is not loading. So over here you can see it says the issue has been resolved and things should now be working as normal. Okay, so that is the one thing that you can do. The other thing that you can do is you can jump into downdetector.com. Now, if you jump into there, this is what their homepage looks like. And on the top right-hand side of the screen, you will be able to search for whatever app or whatever website you would need to search for. So I have searched for Instagram, and over here it says user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. So if you are getting this message, you'll know that the issue is not with Instagram itself, but it's actually on your side. Now, the third thing that we can check here is your internet connection. So if you go ahead and Google speed test, this is what will come up. Okay, and you can tap on run speed test, and this will test your network's internet speed and give you an accurate reading of an upload speed as well as a download speed to give you an idea if you have a stable connection or not. So as you can see, it is busy measuring the upload as well as the download speed, and then you can sort of have an idea of if your internet connection is an issue. Now, the last and final thing, which is a fail-safe, is going into your device's settings. And from here, you can scroll down to where you see apps. And from apps, you are going to now scroll down and you're going to look for Instagram. Now, alternatively, you can just use the search bar on the top right-hand side of the screen and type in Instagram, and you will get onto this page. Now, you're going to go into storage, and what you want to do is clear the cache, and that is on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Now, once you clear the cache, you can just tap it like that, and you can see the cache is now at 0 bytes. So that is then sort of like the fail-safe method to fix most issues that you will be having with apps. All right, and then finally, if you go into your Play Store and you go into the search bar on the top of the screen and you just type in Instagram, you can then select it from that menu, and there you can see that I actually need to update my Instagram. So make sure that your apps are always running the latest version, and then you will not actually experience the issues that you are experiencing. If this video was super helpful, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment below, and we will see you in another amazing video. Cheers.